Hey there, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever felt stuck trying to get your Power BI visuals to sort exactly how you want them, especially along the x-axis, then you're in the right spot. Today, I'm going to walk you through a simple but powerful way to master axis sorting using field parameters. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to sort your charts in Power BI with just a few clicks, no coding required, and take your reporting skills up a notch. Let's jump right in. Go ahead and open up Power BI. To keep things simple, I've already brought in some sample data. If you're following along, you can use your own dataset. Just make sure you've got some kind of category for the x-axis like month or product, and a numeric value for the y-axis like sales. Now, before we talked about sorting, we needed a measure to represent total sales. I created a measure called sales. You can call yours whatever makes sense for your data. This is just a quick calculation that adds up all the sales values in our data. You'll find your measures over on the left sidebar. If you haven't made one yet, no worries, just click your table and select New Measure, then type in your formula. Having this as a measure gives you more flexibility, especially when we start sorting and slicing the data. With that measure ready, I dragged it onto the y-axis of our chart. For the x-axis, I picked the category that made sense for our story. In my case, let's say we're working with months of the year. So now our line chart is showing sales by month. If your chart looks a little different at this point, check what's in each axis. Sometimes a simple adjustment like changing the axis field can help your visual make a lot more sense. Now here, where things get interesting. If you look at the top right corner of your chart in Power BI, you'll see a little set of 3 dots. This is sometimes called the More Options menu. Give it a click. When you do that, you'll see several sorting options pop up, specifically Sort Axis and Sort Legend. Try these out. For example, you can sort your months in ascending or descending order based on your sales values or even alphabetically. This level of control is really useful if you want your charts to tell a clearer or more compelling story. Maybe you want to spotlight your top performing months or just keep everything in a logical sequence. The sorting options make this so much easier. No DAX formulas, no complicated tricks, and definitely no coding required. Honestly, this step might take a few moments the first time as you experiment. Don't worry if you don't see what you expect immediately. Sometimes, clicking through the different options helps you understand exactly how Power BI is handling your data. It really comes down to presenting your information in the most effective way possible, and sometimes just a quick sort can make trends or outliers jump right off the page. And just like that, you've got your chart sorted, literally. That's the beauty of Power BI's built-in tools. Once you know where to look, what used to be a hassle becomes a breeze. Alright, that wraps up today's tutorial on mastering axis sorting in Power BI using field parameters. If you found this guide helpful, please give the video a thumbs up. It helps a lot. If you have any questions or if you run into hiccups with your own data, drop a comment below and I'll be sure to help you out. And of course, don't forget to subscribe for more practical Power BI tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching and happy reporting.